Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my regular Ipsy Glam bag and my Glam bag plus for November of 2021. Also, I did unbox my Ipsy Glam bag X. I'll have that video up as soon as possible. And the eye look that I have going on today is with the Huda Beauty Khaki Haze palette that I got in there, so I will have that video up shortly as well. But yeah, I'm really excited to get into this video and show you what I got in probably the ugliest bags Ipsy has ever came out with. I'm just saying. So yeah, if you guys are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give me a big thumbs up, guys. No, I'm just kidding. Then definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean it so much, especially if you've already clicked on this video. Just click subscribe. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this green grass looking bag that dogs poop on and see what I got in here. So first product that I'm pulling out is from Camelina plus Strobe. This is an illuminizing primer, and here is what the product looks like. And then the next product in here is from Glossier. It's the Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. This is my first Glossier product, I believe. I don't think I've ever had anything from this brand, so it'd be really great to actually try something from them. It just is kind of sucky that it has to be such a small product and that my camera is not doing any zooms, but yeah, excited to try that out. And then the next product in here is something that I'm actually really excited about. This is from Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's brand. This is a cake batter whipped body butter. I have tried so much from this brand and it's honestly so good. I've loved everything about everything that I've tried. So I just want to put this on my hands for just a sec. Let me just see what this smells like, because I'm excited. I wonder if it's going to actually smell like cake batter. I don't think so. No, but it smells good. It smells really good. Okay, next up we have from the brand Baroggio the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This I need to give a try. I need to make another hair appointment. I just have to work around my schedule with like Andrew and his appointments and stuff, because we have like a care manager and stuff for his ADHD that we have now, and he has all these appointments and school letting out because of Thanksgiving and then Christmas and then all this other stuff. So I need to get a hair appointment, but I need something like this desperately right now because my hair is just not doing well. So yeah, I'm going to give that a try. And then the last thing that came in the regular glam bag is from the brand Sophia plus Maybell. And I think we've had an eyeshadow palette from them, or we had spoilers. I don't think I got the palette, but this is just a little tinted lip oil, which I love lip oils. So it's just a tinted lip oil. Let me go ahead and just swatch it for you. Probably not going to have too much of a tint. Oh, I don't like the consistency going on in here. It's looking a little strange to me. That's a really weird consistency. It has a weird smell. It's, okay, well the applicator is very firm. This is very thick. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not often that I'm just like, get away from me, but get away from me. I don't like it. Okay, let's move on to this. Of course, very ugly bag. The first product in here is the Yensa Pumpkin Tumeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask, which we've gotten before, and it's also a spoiler for next month, which is crazy, but you know, whatever. I've also had this before. I sold it on Poshmark, but you know, I never tried it. Maybe I'll try it this time because it is like pumpkin season and stuff, though it's more peppermint season now, honestly. But anyways, yeah, I got this mask, and then I got from the brand BFF, Best Face Forward, a balancing serum, AHA, BHA, HA, niacinamide. It's oil-free hydration, helps to balance oil production, and prevents future breakouts. So this is going to be great for oily skin. It's also cruelty-free, 100% vegan. The packaging is actually really, really cute. Okay, I think I'm going to give this to my sister to try. And then we have my favorite mascara on all of the planet, the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. This is literally the best mascara in the whole wide world. I don't care what anybody says. This is the best mascara that you will ever use. It's so good. I don't want to open it because I don't want to open it until I use it. But this is the best mascara in the entire world. Hands down. And then we have something from the brand Yensa Myrix, which I think she's like a very popular brand. I think they sell it at Sephora. And I think people have been reviewing her makeup lately. Like, I think she's like a big brand now or something. I don't know who she is, but this is a Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye color. So I guess it does it all, and this is in the shade Tiara. Oh, okay, wait. Packaging is cool. That is cool. You can't see it. It's so shiny. Oh. This is probably has a rosy scent to it. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Let me just blend this into the skin. Huh. Interesting. Definitely gonna have to give that a try because it's beautiful and it is like wet looking. Okay, love that. And then lastly, we have from Il Makiage this lipstick in the shade Dirty Talk or Bella. Dirty Talk matte lip color Bella. I don't know. Anyways, so I love this so much. Oh, the packaging is so cute on this. Love it. Okay. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, let's give it a swatch. I've been noticing a lot of red lipsticks lately because of the season. Really pretty swatch as well. That's going to be a beautiful color for the holidays. So that's everything that came in these bags. Let me go ahead and show you some extra goodies that Ipsy sent me. So they sent me some more of the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream, which I actually love. And I need another one. I've already gone through 2 of them. And then they sent me this Oh My Moisture Conditioner. I didn't even know they had shampoo and conditioner. I don't have the shampoo, but I have the conditioner, which I'll be happy to try out. And then we have another razor here, but this says it's a dazzling 5-blade razor kit in pink bubbly, which I don't know what that means. So let's see what this razor looks like. Oh, okay, so it's a new razor. This one's like, ooh. Oh, well, this one's a different razor than what we've gotten before, which this one has like some weight to it. It feels fancy. It's really pretty. And what is this? It has a sticky thing on it. I don't know what this is. Oh, it holds your razor in the shower. That is fancy. Okay, excited about that. So that's everything that came in Ipsy and what they sent to me. Thank you so much, Ipsy, as always. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. What did you guys get in your bags this month? What were your choices? Let a girl know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!